Welcome back to our channel Inky Pinky Media. Today we're going to see about 6 unknown reasons why women need more sleep than men. No wonder women would need to multitask without getting enough sleep. Biologically, both men and women are different and they have various physical needs which are well known to all. But did you know women need more rest than men? Yes, a study has exhibited a woman's brain need more time to recover from their everyday activity. When women are sleep deprived, they would be prone to distress or anger. It is when compared to men, women get the same amount of rest. All they need to do is to take extra 20 minutes, which could have amazing benefits. But there are several reasons why women need to take more rest. They are differently connected. When compared to men, women are connected differently. They are known to optimize analytical and initiative thoughts as well. Women could do multitasking and it would never slow down until bedtime. This could make it difficult for them to fall asleep. They have busy schedules. Presently, most women would go for a day job, either it's a part or full time. They would also return home and take care of the children and prepare for dinner after work. This is why they are known for multitasking, but it could be terribly exhausting. The expectation which the society puts on women are clinging onto their shoulder and seems to have both visible effect and harmful effect as well. Sleep deprivation leads to obesity. In comparison to men, women have a tough time losing weight, especially the one who do not get adequate rest. Women with obesity are more likely to be sleep deprived, which is why there is a connection between insomnia and being obese. Additionally, the stress hormone called cortisol is released in higher amount, which in turn causes bigger appetite and obesity as well. They go through hormonal changes. They have serious hormonal changes that have so much effect. These changes includes puberty, pregnancy and menopause. Apart from these, physical discomfort and pain would make female brains restless and thus raises the need for more sleep. Furthermore, women are susceptible to conditions such as anxiety and depression. They do not get adequate rest. While women involved in many activities in a day, they forget to take the necessary rest which their brains are in needed. Women with small children or kids should know the resting pattern of them and act accordingly. And men should also assist them in doing chores, as women are likely to get irritated when they do not get good sleep. Got it, guys? Sleep deprivation leads to hypertension. When women forgot about their rest time and move around the house late at night, it would spike the levels of C-reactive protein, which is actually linked with high blood pressure and heart disease as well.